Hello everyone, new day, new movements up and down, and we are here to analyze Bitcoin with Amr Hassanein and Crypto Yacht Club. Yesterday was a tough day for those holding BTC. They are being tested for the maybe 8 times, or 7 times in a very short time. When the price comes very close to 10,000. Yeah, in the past 2 weeks or 2 weeks, we have seen this level at 10,700 is being tested like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, too much, huh? Yeah, this actually, when I said yesterday, we have to wait to see if this level is still holding, because usually at the end of the day it pushes back up. And I will show you that actually, if you see here, that it happened like at the same time of the day. Look at the time here, and look at the time here. This green candlestick after 2 red candlesticks. This is 2 red candlestick and this is green candlestick. At the same time of the day. I don't know. I need to see if there is any news connected to this movement, because yesterday there was that news coming. I will leave a link to that. Someone explaining here the futures, okay, and why they are pushing the price lower as possible before the closing time of the future. I will leave a link for this interesting explanation for someone on Reddit. Then you can read when you have time. Again, to here, I just want to say something about why this is a very strong level and why it's holding that strong. If you were following Bitcoin the last year, and there were too many speculations about the movement, about how far can Bitcoin go, and there are people who are saying, okay, if it can goes to 10,000, then definitely it will be considered as they will consider it from 10,000 for many reasons, as an investment or whatever. Actually that was true, because the market here was actually in overbought conditions, and when it reached 10,000 and it didn't have enough, it actually pushed even higher. If you see, from 10,000 it went even higher. It didn't have enough, and yeah, that's the longest overbought the Bitcoin has ever seen, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, here, these waves, you usually have people taking profits from the previous levels when it was 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. That's actually a good area where they start to take in profits. They start to sell. And you see that's bloody wave from 20 to 10,000. Okay, but it goes up very quick. Once it comes near to that level, it goes up very quick to 13,000, and that because the buyers who didn't jump in here, they jump in here. So it was very strong enough, but wasn't strong in these areas. I don't know why. There are not too many buyers from these areas. The sellers are actually even more, but it's holding. It's holding not only because the buyers jump in from this level, and it's only been 1 month and they didn't take enough profits, because the highest it went, it was 17,000, and that wasn't what you promised when you bought. You were promised like 3 or 4 times your money. Same like those investments before. But anyway, The thing is how long they can hold. That's a very important question, because if a sell-off come, it will not be good. You know, it just yeah. Let's say so far it's a significant line. All this area from 10,700 to 9,200. It's a very it's a significant mark for Bitcoin, and that's why it's very strong. Like, it's almost like everyone believes that a Bitcoin is worth than 10,000. You know what I mean? So nobody is selling for less, or maybe there are not too many buyers encouraged yet. But let's see. That actually explains why this level is very strong. There aren't much here to study today. The market just doing its thing, up and down, up and down. There is no, as we said, still in the average of 11,000. Not a big. There is not too many information to analyze actually. Here still the moving average is struggling. The price is struggling to cross the moving average. It better cross now, because if it cannot cross now, when it's going to cross? I don't know. Now it's getting pressured. It's like one level, another level, third level, three levels are pushing. It's getting narrowed between this moving average and these support levels. It has to go up at a certain point, or it will fill very fast. Will drop down very fast. Anyway, that's enough for today, and tomorrow we will see if any thing we can talk about. All right, thank you very much.